How she gets out? Aw, she's little. What? There's more in here. It's a mermaid. She's a mermaid. I'm gonna set these right here. Get these down. Get these down. It's actually not broke. Yeah, I broke my other one. Here I had one. What's broke on the back? I'm just gonna start this one. I don't know when for that. I can't open it. Llama. So these other big boxes. Ew. Yeah. Actually, cruddy. Oh, I got it. I got it.
What is that?
I got it. I wanted this one. She got curly hair too. Curly, curly, swirly, pearly.
That's good, that's good.
Oh, she comes with a mermaid. They all come with a mermaid tail. You like, she slides down here. Okay. Oh yeah, she's a mermaid.
No.
She's a mermaid. Yeah, she's a mermaid, of course. I love mermaids. Ow. Get this thing away from me. Ouch, ouch. Miss Finley broke it. No, I didn't. I didn't broke it. I was pranking you. Okay. Oh, I accidentally broke the doll. Put this on her. She comes with this. Okay, now I have to put this one on. Okay, there we go. Gotta put this one in, guys. Oh, oh, oh. That's hard. It's hard. I still like it. Oh. Okay, now you already saw it, guys. So these are the mermaids. These are the mermaids I got. Okay. There we go. I didn't open this. I hope it's the way the one with sparkles on it. Yay! I wanted this one. I want a ponytail. I like it.
Oh.
So long hair. Very long hair. She has very long hair. Oh, look at her long. Look at her long hair. And you guys, you can make it long hair or you can stretch it out like, and you can make it like little hair, whatever you want. Sorry. Thank you for WowWee Toys to send this to me. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button.
Here.
I'll see you on the next video. Bye.